Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time catching a video of mine, my name is Donna Prescott. I am the owner to Alta Image Salon based in the Crown Heights area of Brooklyn, New York. And today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using our Kinky Straight texture from our store. Our Kinky Straight texture comes in a variety of products such as bundles, clip-ins, or as a lace wig. And today we're going to be doing a custom clip-in install on our model. So let's get braided. So what I'm doing right now is creating a custom clip-in set using our Kinky Straight bundles and the clip-ins. In our store, we sell the clip-in set and they come in sets of 10s. The benefits of doing it this way is just having the option of creating more density and more volume, and it being customized to the clientele. So our clip-ins were already pre-measured and there's no special braiding pattern going here. You just do what works for you. We're going to attach all the clip-ins into the braid. Make sure that they are secure and snap to close.